Welcome to the Global Library at O.P. Jindal Global University. With a combined collection of over 64,510 print volumes and an array of electronic resources, Global Library offers 14,000 subscribed journals, 2.3 lakh ebooks, more than 800 multimedia collection, newspaper, court judgments, legislations, case studies, course material, and lot more. We are in T2 block with an approximately 10,000 square meter space on second floor and on ground floor. Global Library adheres to high quality standards under fully automated environment, including RFID based self-checkout system. Library provides almost all its services in self-service mode. This is the South Wing. A user can check out and check in the library material available on online public access catalog. The books on the shelves are arranged following Dewey Decimal Classification System from 000 to 999. All the books carry a call number, referring to which the books can be easily located following the bookshelf labels placed on the shelves. The directional signage guides on the entrance of each section and supports to reach the desired subject section quickly. Availing the borrowing privileges, a user uses self-checkout kiosk or may seek support from the service desk. Self-checkout system is also further supported by SMS and email alerts of transactions and reminders. Library loans are subject to the library regulations, which outlines your entitlement and other conditions. However, in case you may require more books or wish to extend your loan duration, please discuss the same with the staff on duty. Most library books are issued for 30 days to the students and 60 days to the faculty. It is important that borrowed material is returned to the library on or before the due date. Library systems send automatic reminders for overdue items. Books overdue for 6 months or more are subject to some cost recovery. To activate your library membership, you need to register your university photo ID card with the library. In the West Wing, a dedicated textbook section allows the user to borrow the textbooks for one complete semester by paying an additional fee. The users may seek assistance through any of the service desks in the library at any point of time during their visit to the library. Embracing the new normal, all the print books and textbooks have been shifted to South and West Wings, creating more reading spaces in North Wing, Central Wing, and in Global Reading Hall, with an extension to the reference library on the ground floor. This is the Central Library. All the reference and research collection like law reports, back volume journals, Haryana collection, thin material, children collection, and digital teaching and research aids are available for the users in this section. The users may borrow Kindle devices with headphones available in the Central Library for the reference purpose. This is the reference library, which is an extension of the main library. The Supreme Court judgments, Constituent Assembly debates, civil court manuals, Halsbury laws, and other reference books, including encyclopedia, dictionaries, lexicons, also current print journals and magazines, faculty publications, and new arrival display can be referred in this section. JGU, as an equal opportunity institution, is committed to facilitate an inclusive education. With this aim, a dedicated section, Abhigamya, is also a part of reference library for the people with disability. This section is equipped with an array of assistive technology For reading digital and print text, conversion to audio and braille formats in support with the devices called Orbit 20 and BrailleMe. Global Library provides 24/7 self-managed prepaid reprography services to its users, including students and staffs, without any intervention of a library staff. Hence, it is imperative to state that Global Library attains the highest international standards. Also, to support blended learning, Global Library is managing open source learning management system which is fully integrated with plagiarism check services, virtual classroom, discussion forum and course material. Virtual training sessions, information literacy workshop, virtual open houses to assist the first-time users on e-resources are an eminent part of services to the users. To know more about Global Library, please log on to www.library.jgu.edu.in.